Alrighty, so today we're going over aerobic respiration. This is how the cells produce their energy. So first we get the glucose, which is your sugars, your food. It's broken down into pyruvic acid, which goes into the mitochondria, as well as oxygen and amino acids. Creates 32 ATP, which is your energy source for your muscles, H2O, and CO2.
And to get the oxygen needed for this, you start with the nasal cavity. You go to the pharynx, to the trachea, to the right and left bronchi, to the tertiary bronchi, to the bronchioles, and to the alveoli. This is the pathway that you're going to need to get air. You need all that. It's good times.
Mother big fat bass.
When your heart gets pumping, cause you spent the night humping. Your body gets full of CO2 that your cells been dumping. You need a gradient, talking about that concentration. You need more oxygen and carbon, cause your heart's been racing. Aerobic respiration, that's the key to contraction. Or else you need to stop, like your girl's reaction when I walk in. You need oxygen to create ATP. Now that's enough into my need.
Sweet love and respiration. Sweet love and respiration. Mother big fat bass.
So when you're running from police and screaming down on your knees, you're gonna need to bring oxygen consumption to speed. Your body builds up acid. I ain't talking about the hippie, talking about the lactic. No one's even getting trippy. You need oxygen. Hurry, son. Yeah, they got it.
Sweet love and respiration. Sweet love and respiration. Mother big fat bass.
So you've been smoking Iraqi and your heart gets to decreasing. You're even your best get to breathing. Stop feeding. Your nervous system gets chemicals excreting. You need less oxygen now. Your body is maintaining.
Sweet love and respiration. Sweet love and respiration. Mother big fat bass.
And that leads us to the physiological changes with increased and decreased breathing rates. Diffusion requires a concentration gradient, so the concentration of O2 must be higher level than in the blood, and the CO2 must be kept at a lower level than the blood. We do this by continuously bringing in oxygen through aerobic respiration.
Alright, because of the differences in partial pressures of oxygen and CO2 in the systemic capillaries in the body cells, oxygen diffuses from the blood and into the cells, while carbon dioxide diffuses out of the cells.
As heart rate increases, the demand for ATP to keep the muscle contractions going increases, and more oxygen is required for aerobic respiration, a process that accounts for 95% of the ATP created and used for muscle contraction.
Mr. Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Spencer?
What the f*** is this?
Honestly, I have no idea.